The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Spalding County in west central Georgia, southern Fayette County in north central Georgia, northeast Weather County in west central Georgia, northern Pike County in west central Georgia, northwestern Monroe County in central Georgia, southwestern Henry County in north central Georgia, southwestern Bucks County in central Georgia, southeastern Coweta County in west central Georgia, northern Lamar County in west central Georgia, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Chapel Mill, or 8 miles east of Griffin, moving west at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Griffin, Zebulon, Peachtree City, Sonoy, Milner, Brooks, Williamson, Sharpsburg, Turin, Orchard Hill, Harrelson, Woolsey, Sunnyside, East Griffin, Stars Mill, Walker Mill, Hollandville, Inman, Rover, and Liberty Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4664. Or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Since you've done the program so many times before, welcome, Professor.